A very good morning, students. Jai Gurudev. Welcome to our online class. Today we will discuss exercise 2.5 from question number 9. Up to question number 8 already has completed. Now question number 9. In question number 9, here verify first one, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube. And second one, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy into y square. We will take first 9 question number 1. Now here we have to verify. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. First we take right hand side. Here right hand side what given? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square given. If we multiply, then if we get x cube plus y cube, then our sum will be verified. Now x into x square minus xy plus y square and plus first we multiply this one expression by x, next we multiply by y plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now x into x cube minus x into x square y plus x into y square. Next plus y into x square y x square minus x into y square plus y into y square means y cube. Now x is x y square and y x square, x square y same thing. This one positive, this one negative, this one positive. That's why we can cancel. Here this one positive, this one negative. That's why we can cancel. That means what left? X cube plus y cube. This one is equal to what? Left hand side. Therefore, hence verified. Similarly, you can solve question number 9 too. Then you have to do this one, question number 9 too. Next, we will take question number 10. In question number 10, here given factorize each of the following. We can factorize. Factorize means we have to find product of some factor. This one we can use this one identity. With the help of this one identity, we can factorize. Now we will take question number 10(1). Now question number 10(1). Here 27y cube. 27 we have to make something cube. That means 3 cube means 27. Therefore this one we can write 3y whole cube. Why? 3 cube means 27y cube. Same way 125 means 5 cube. Therefore 5z whole cube. Now this one what? X cube plus y cube. Same thing we have already got. X cube plus y cube means what? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. With the help of identity we can factorize this one. Now here x means 3y and y means 5z. That's why 3y plus 5z. Next, x square. X square means 3y whole square minus 3y into 5z plus y square means 5z square. Okay, we put the value of this one in this identity. Now 3y plus 5z and this one 3y whole square means 9y square minus 3 5s are 15 yz plus 5 square means 25 z square. If we factorize, then we will get the answer this one. Next we will take question number 10-2. In question number 10-2, here given 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. Same things, x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube. If we factorize, then we can use this one identity. X minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. These two identities are same thing, just if it is plus, then this one plus, this one before xy we put the minus sign. And x cube minus y cube, here x minus y, and here all are positive term. Now with the help of this one identity we can factorize. 64 means what? 4 cube means 64, that's why 4m whole cube. Minus 7 cube means what? 7 cube means 434, that's why in place of 343 we can write 7n whole cube. Now x cube minus y cube, here x means 4m and y means 7n. X minus y means 4m minus 7n, and x square means 4m whole square plus, here all each and every terms are positive, that's why 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square. Now this one is equal to 4m minus 7n, and this one 4m square means 4 square means 16 m square plus 4 7s are 28 mn plus 7 square means 49 n square. If we factorize this one, then we will get the answer this. Do you understand?